Israel's parliament has passed a controversial new law introducing the death penalty as a default sentence for Palestinians convicted of deadly attacks in military courts. The move fulfills a key demand of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's far-right allies and has already triggered strong international criticism. The law mandates execution by hanging within 90 days of sentencing, allows limited delays, but removes any right to clemency, meaning a convicted person cannot seek mercy, pardon, or a reduction of their sentence from higher authorities. However, a revised version includes the option of life imprisonment instead of capital punishment. The legislation was spearheaded by far-right National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir, who has openly advocated for death penalty. In a video, Ben-Gvir declared his desire to execute terrorists while gesturing towards a noose. The law comes amid growing global concern over rising violence in the occupied West Bank and increasing scrutiny of Israeli policies towards Palestinians. In Israel's civilian courts, the law applies to anyone convicted of deliberately causing death with the intent of ending Israel's existence, mandating either life imprisonment or execution. Even before its passage, foreign ministers from Germany, France, Italy, and Britain criticized the bill as de facto discriminatory against Palestinians. Supporters argued the law will deter attacks and prevent kidnappings aimed at prisoner swaps. Critics, however, say it risks deepening tensions and undermining legal safeguards. Human rights group B'Tselem points to a 96% conviction rate in West Bank military courts, raising concerns about fairness and due process. Opposition leaders and rights groups are now expected to challenge the law in Israel's Supreme Court, which could ultimately strike it down. Notably, Israel abolished the death penalty for murder in 1954. The only execution carried out after a civilian trial was that of Adolf Eichmann, who is considered to be an architect of the Nazi Holocaust in 1962.